Hello guys, this is Apurva here and we are going to see today the traffic transformer review. So it is a brand new cloud-based software for you, and if you are want to start new campaigns or if you want to free leads on your software on your website, then this is the free software for you, and it is very effective and cloud-based software, so you no need to download anything externally. So these are the my bonuses for this traffic transformer, and this is the sales page of traffic transformer. So here you can see that 487 per day commission with certain buyer traffic in second. So this is not that actually $487 you make in one day, but if you uh, go with this campaigns and they say you can do it, then you can definitely make 50 to $100 per day, definitely. Okay, so this is 100% beginner friendly, make 100% commission fast, get 100% free traffic fast, turn any content to traffic. So this is basically the software that you can copy any other content on any niche and make it your campaigns, and just edit something and add on some things and make it your content. Okay, so next is monetize any website instantly, be an instant super affiliate, 100% cloud based app, zero hosting or domain, zero tech skill required. So there is no tech skill required, just copy others content and make it yours and share to your social media. I'll show you what you have to do. And okay, so just you have to click on these buttons and get your traffic transformer. Here is the proof of a traffic transformer. This gets fast traffic, fast free traffic. So in just three simple steps, here you can see you have to just copy others content from ClickBank or WarriorPlus or JVZoo or Teespring, anything, and make your own money. So this is this is from the desktop Chris, Reach, and Yip. Here is the many more proof of traffic transformer, and this is the logo of traffic transformer, and mm, this is the sales page of it, and you can go through on your time. I will go through the main things. Okay, let's see how it's work. Okay, this is the dashboard of traffic transformer, and we are here at dashboard. And first you have to click on the account, and let's see what is going to be. Just you have to add your Facebook page, Twitter page, LinkedIn, Reddit, Tumblr, all your social media handles you have to add. Okay, add new profile, click on add new profile and add your own profile. Okay, next you have to go to the campaign section, and done for you, you have to, if you want to click on done for you campaigns, or you can make it from scratch. Okay, so I will go through done for you option, and let's see what is going to be. So you can see these are the campaigns, pre-made campaigns from others, and I'll go through first the new campaign section. You have to click it here. So here you can see that you have to give it a name of your campaigns and select your own niche. So there is a dieting, money making, affiliate, internet marketing, health, build motion, health, home, pets. Okay, so first diet. I will go for diet and make my name as a campaign name, and select any lean belly. So I need lean belly. Okay, so click on lean belly and click on next. So click on any kind of keyword on your niche. So I will go for belly fat. Let's click on search, submit. So as you can see, my campaigns are is ready now, and I can share it from here. So I can share it from Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, anything, and you can click of and view, clone, copy, anything. Okay. So next you have to go to promote section to promote these campaigns, and after that you need to click on create promote option. So just click on it, and after that you need to find your campaigns here. I'll select my campaigns. I will write something message, some messages. You need to write some engaging message for your customers. Okay, so after that you have to give some hashtags related to these campaigns. So after that you need to click on next button. Then if you want to share it instantly, or you can schedule it for next day or anything else. Okay, after clicking on submit, you can see your campaign is promoted automatically. After that you need to go to lead section. Here you can find some clients related to your niches campaigns. Okay, so here you can select your niches, and you can find related to these campaigns the customers. So this is the cool feature of this software is, if you don't have any email autoresponder, then this is the software, here you can store your leads and send it to your own other campaigns also. Okay, so after that you need to go to free training also. Here you can see the free training also. Okay, so these are the features of traffic transformer. And let's go to see the bonuses which you get from vendor. Okay, so first bonus is affiliate funnel bot. Next is affiliate traffic bots, which is sold 2900. These are the previous launch of this vendor. Okay, and so next is affiliate video bots. After that resell bots, which is 1400 sold. Next is a traffic bot version 2, which is 1200 sold. Okay, so these are the bonuses, and these are the my bonuses which you get. Okay, so this bonuses is, first bonus is web conversion video. This video training guide covered the factors that will help your website increase its conversion rate beyond anything you have ever hoped for. Next is instant content creator. So you can create instant content from this software. Okay, next is WP Headline Pro. WP Headline Pro let you learn the trick to write powerful headlines and earn more profit. How you too can create highly engaging headlines that entire maximize visitor and convert them into entire lifetime customers. So this will help you to write this message section. Okay, so here is the message section you have to write. So this software will help you to write the engaging message for your customers also. I'll show you the message section once again. Sorry. So this is the message section. So with this software, with this help of the bonus, you can write engaging messages. Okay, lead generation on demand. Generating more leads in anything but easy, and if you don't have a solid marketing strategy that will drive more traffic to your website, you will never be able to generate the leads you need for your business to succeed. This comprehensive guide shows you how you can generate laser targeted leads for your offer and make the most out of them to boost your success. Next is lead capture page match. So this ultimate guide will help you to create matching lead capture page for the sales page you are promoting. Now capturing a leads and promoting red hot offers to them in your hand. Next is viral marketing tips and strategies, success strategies. So this will help you to share your campaigns on other social media platforms also. Next is lead acquisition 101. This package is multi-utility when combined with immense power of traffic transformer. The next is affiliate lifestyle secret. Next is content marketing blueprint. So this will help you to content your marketing. So very effective software, you can say. First, commission video. So with this wonderful upgrade, you not only learn the basics but the essential to sustain in this competitive online segment. So these are the my software for only, I will find it for traffic transformer. Okay, so that will definitely help you. Okay, so let's see the funnel and prices of it. The first front end price is $17, but if you go like this, I'll show you. If you go to the page cutting button, so there is a pop-up and you get $3 discount. So the final price is $14 for you. Okay, so option 1 is unlimited edition, $29. Upgrade to launch unlimited campaigns for unlimited traffic and traffic commissions. Next is option 2 autopilot edition, $39. Activate 60x affiliate programs per day and over 1500 campaigns instantly preloaded. Upsell 3 is done for you edition, which is $197. Upsell 4 is reseller edition, which is $197. Upsell 5 is mega bundle edition, which is 909, which is $97. So I don't think this is useful for you if you don't want to any resell rights, if you don't want any resell rights. Okay, so with this $39, this is for useful for you. Okay, so I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is traffic transformer and what is it. So just click on the link in the description. I am putting my link in the description. You can go through it and see the sales page in details again, and see my bonuses here. Okay, and you have to click on these buttons for buying traffic transformer and grab these bonuses. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video and loving it. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.